Routing options for customer service operations. What's the best way to assign tickets to your customer service agents? We're going to look at some options and some methods that are practical to assign tickets either democratically or according to priority or according to however your business functions. What is the most efficient one? Let's find out. Hi there, my name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience guy. I love doing this. I've been a Zendesk consultant. This is my 11th year. Today's video inspiration comes from Maxime Monceau, and I've mentioned his name before. It's not my fault that you make such inspiring content, Maxime. So let's look at some options. Routing option number 1 is first in, first out. Now this one is pretty straightforward, and as the name suggests, it addresses the tickets in the order that they are received. First ticket that comes in is the first one that is being served. Now this one is indiscriminatory in terms of how complex the ticket is or the expertise required to solve this ticket. I like this one because of its simplicity, and it applies to organizations that want to apply this exact simplicity to their workflow. And it's also fair because it doesn't necessarily rely on somebody taking a lot of workload while somebody just idly waits around for a ticket that it matches their skills. All right, it's starting to get juicy now. Second routing option is skill-based routing. Tickets are coming in and are directed to agents based on their specific skills, expertise, or experience level. This ensures that complex issues are handled by the more experienced agents and simpler issues are being handled by the more inexperienced staff. Now this works well in tier-based support, so think about the first level, that is the more inexperienced type that handles requests that are not that difficult, that can be handled with reading an article maybe in a private knowledge base, or obviously handled by the training that the support staff got. And then level 2 is somebody who has more technical knowledge and in-depth product knowledge and can solve more complex issues. And then there's level 3, who usually handles complaints, like the harsh ones, and maybe compliance issues. It's best for operations that deal with a very vast and wide variety of skills and expertise that requires specialized knowledge to handle different kinds of inquiries. Okay, the third option for routing in customer service operation is load balance. In this case, tickets are distributed based on the current workload of agents. Agents with fewer open tickets have priority in receiving new ones, and with the aim to keep the workload balance equal amongst the team. This one is great for teams that are trying to maintain a balanced workload for every team member, ensuring that one agent doesn't get swamped with a lot of work. Okay, we're getting close to the most interesting one. Number 4 option in routing for customer service operations, priority-based routing. Tickets are being categorized based on the urgency that the case has, with obviously tickets that are more urgent having priority to be dealt with as opposed to the ones that have lower priority. And in this approach, you don't really care about the order that the tickets are coming in. Rather, you rely only on the urgency. And this urgency can be given depending on your niche, depending how you function, and depending on what your customers need. In a usual scenario, somebody spending more money with you gets priority. Somebody who's very pissed also gets priority. And this is best for organizations where services vary and some tickets require urgent attention. And this remains to be decided by you according to your specific needs. Okay, this is definitely the most interesting and the most innovative one. Number 5 routing option is intelligent routing. This one utilizes AI. It's the most modern one and the most uncharted one, but the most interesting nevertheless. So AI analyzes the ticket, sees exactly what's going on. It analyzes the sentiment, it categorizes it, it prioritizes it, and then it goes ahead and assigns it to somebody according to these rules. It also looks at historical data. It looks at agent performance and the complexity of the issue. The more data you feed into it, the better it becomes. Okay, up comes the last one, which is very interesting. I like this one because it's very democratic. Number 6 routing option for customer service operation is a round-robin distribution. And this is a variation of the traditional round-robin capabilities that introduces more modern features like skill-based routing, for example, or priority-based assignments. The reason it's doing this is because round-robin has its limitations, and with this, it compensates and it's a little bit better. I like this one because it keeps agents focused, and it's democratic in the sense that it equally tries to disperse workloads into every plate. So it kind of forces people to become better. All right, now for some conclusions. It's not exactly a one shoe size fits all. So ideally you choose a bunch of these, like 2 maybe even 3, depending on how large your organization is and how complex it is, and you make a variation between them. This way, you'll make shoes for yourself from different types of materials, and they will fit you really, really well, and you'll be able to walk the long run. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, follow me, add me as a friend. I'd be really grateful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.